Notcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. This is a new coin. That's why some of the traders, they ask me, look at the chart. You want to see whether we can analyze or not, since it doesn't have the history. Anyway, first of all, I can see some of the traders that are talking about the price of the Notcoin in the future, somewhere around 68 to 69 cent, and how they get this price, okay, and how they get this target. First of all, if we refer to, for example, if we refer to the Telegram, to the owner of the channel, for the owner of the Telegram, he discussed about the 6.8 to 680 million, because he get the Notcoin as a gift, which at that time the value was somewhere around 6.8 million, and he mentioned he will keep until the price of that one reach 680 million. Okay, and this is the amount of the Notcoin he get. This is how the traders, they are hoping the price of the Notcoin will reach 68 or 69 cent. Yes, may in the future we'll see this price, but in the coming months or this year, the possibility for the price of the Notcoin to reach somewhere around 16 to 69 is very less, because if we refer to the coin market cap, we see I mean, if we look at the chart, we see the circulated supply of the Notcoin is somewhere around 102 billion. Okay, that means if the price of the Notcoin wants to reach 60 to 69, we need the capital somewhere. I mean, the market cap should, the value of the market cap should reach somewhere around 60 or 16, 68 or 69 billion. All right, which somewhere at this point is somewhere around 2.2 billion. And second things, because the Notcoin is based on the Telegram and the Toncoin, the price is 7.35 at this point, and the market cap is somewhere around 17.7 billion. Okay, that's why I mentioned the possibility for the price of the Notcoin to reach 60 to 69 cent within the couple of months or this year is very less, because as I mentioned, if the price want to reach somewhere around 68 to 69 cent, the market cap have to reach somewhere around 68 to 69 billion. It doesn't mean the price cannot reach, but within a couple of months or this year, I don't think it's possible. That's why the traders who wants to invest on the Notcoin, they need to be quite careful. And the second things, when I refer to the Notcoin on the social media, on the X or the Twitter, which the old name is the Twitter, I see a lot of the comments that before they launched the Notcoin, they delete a lot of the accounts because of no reason, and I don't know why. This is what I was quite shocked why they should delete the Telegram accounts for those players who play the game for the Notcoin to get the Notcoin. Okay, and this is what make me quite like why they have to do like that. Because if you refer to the Notcoin channel, last 2 weeks when I was checking before they launch, a lot of the people they commented their lost their Notcoin, and even their Telegram account have been banned. Why the developer for the Notcoin do that? They do, I don't know. Maybe they wanted to reduce the number of the Notcoin. Okay, and they never expected for this. The price, I mean, a lot of the people who can play, because they claim that 35 million people who have been playing the Notcoin for the last a few months. Anyway, no, we don't need to discuss. I mean, I don't need to mention all these things. The only thing is the target for the 16.8 or 69 cent for the Notcoin in the coming months or this year, I think is very less the possibility, maybe in the future. And if we refer to the chart, as I mentioned, we don't see any history, but if we look at the chart, now what we can expect from what we have here. Okay, as I mentioned, since we don't have the history, we cannot, the technical analysis, it doesn't give us much information. Just whatever we do right now is 100% we guess what it can or may happen. Okay, anyway, since some of the traders, they ask me, based on what we have here, if we consider this is as a correction, which is a daily, how deep it can go, we can expect the price to drop to 0.018, 0.015, or even the previous top somewhere in 0.1 or 1 cent or 0.11. This is how deep it can be. And if anyone wants to look for buy, they should know how to look for trade. But if we see the continuation with the breakout of this correction, we can expect the price tag somewhere around 0.035, following by 0.05 is somewhere around 5 cent. Okay. If we see this year, the overall market, we see the bull run, we see everything is moved. The possibility for the price of the Notcoin reach somewhere around 10 cent, we can expect. All right. More than that, we have to wait. Okay. And see whether we can get 68 to 69 cent or not. Again, from this correction, if there is a continuation, we can look for somewhere around 3 to 5 cent. Okay. And how deep it can go. Rather than this, we cannot give much information because we don't have the history. If I move to lower time frame, okay, we can look at this one as a flat if we don't consider this shadow. If we consider this shadow, this is a somewhere, I don't like to look at the chart in this way. Okay. Simply we can consider this one as a flat. And if we get one more drop, we see whether the price can break this low or not, and whether the price can break 0.018 or not. Because if they get one more drop, there was no breakout, then we can look for the reversal. Because if the price reverse from here as a corrective, for me, I'm not really interested to look for buy unless I see the sharp move flag based on 1 hour chart. All right. At this point, I don't see any trade setup, but this is what I'm looking at this point. And now I want to see what's the next for what I get from here. If this one happened, there was no breakout, then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Okay. And if I move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart, I don't see anything. I mean, any trade setup. Can we put over entry above here? It can be an option, but I don't like it. It's not a really good idea. And we have to wait. Okay. Anyway, as I mentioned, what's the targets we can expect at this point based on the information we have it. If we move to daily chart with the breakout of this correction, we can look for 0.035 following by 5 cent. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any new information, then I will share. Thanks.